Hi everybody, good day, and I am Blanche. We're going to do an activity about angle of light rays and surface distribution. So first is we're gonna need these materials. First is we have our sketch tape. We also have our scissor. We also gonna need 2 colored neon papers. Last is we have our sunlight model. So our model is composed of wood as a base. We also have our flashlight as the source of light, our protractor as our measurements for angle, and this push pin as our baseline or our measurement. Before performing our activity, we must first have our personal protective equipment such as our lab gowns, gloves, mask, or goggles. But since we're not dealing with chemicals for our activity, we only need our lab gowns. So, let's start. So first is we're gonna have to tape our 2 colored neon papers within our table. So okay, now that our base is ready, so we're gonna need our model. Please observe properly how the distribution of sun rays at the surface corresponds to the angle of the flashlight. So let's start. So now we're gonna on our flashlight. So observe properly how the distribution of light at the surface of the table is concentrated or scattered. So when our flashlight is at 90-degree angle, the concentration of light below the surface of the flashlight is concentrated. So as you can see here, this small circle of light is very concentrated, while outside the circle, we can see a not concentrated flashlight or light rays coming from the flashlight. So as I move the flashlight at 60-degree angle, okay, the rays of the flashlight changes position as well as the concentration of the light rays. So from here, below the surface of the flashlight, we can see that the distribution of light is scattered, while the concentrated area of light rays changes position as the flashlight changes angle. So next is, I'm gonna turn our flashlight at 30-degree angle. Alright. So as you can see here, the area below the flashlight, there is no light exactly, while the area just right after the surface of the flashlight where it is located, we can see that there is light rays, but it is not concentrated. It is only a scattered light. And then we can also observe here that the concentrated area of light have also changes position, and it is located very far away where the flashlight is located exactly. So we can observe that as the angle of flashlight decreases or changes position, the concentration of light also changes as well as its position. So now I'm gonna turn back the flashlight at 90-degree angle. Okay, so this is the 90-degree angle of our flashlight. So as we have observed again, that the flashlight we are seeing now has two types, the concentrated one and the not concentrated one. So the lights that coming from the flashlight and located exactly below the flashlight is what we call the concentrated light of the flashlight. So that's all for our activity, which is titled Angle of Light Rays and Surface Distribution. And I hope you have learned something from our activity today. So that's all. Thank you.